Hey guys, today let's make so yummy and healthy snacks for the kids. If they are so hungry, you can make it within 15 minutes for them. So, this is veg cheese lollipops. You can call it as veg cheese cutlets. So, this is very simple recipe. For this, take a pan, add some oil, add some cumin seeds. You can add any veggies of your choice. Here I am adding chopped beans and carrot. You can add cabbage, gobi, even capsicum, any vegetables which your kids or your family members like. You can add anything. Here I have added homemade ginger garlic paste. This recipe I have mentioned below. So now I am adding some turmeric, chili powder, some coriander powder, and salt as per taste. If you have garam masala, you can even add it. Now here I have added very little pinch of pepper powder. So now fry for 2 to 3 minutes and switch off the stove. Now add the boiled potatoes, grate them so that there should not be any lumps in the potatoes. So this grater I bought from Meesho. This is very helpful. This recipe you can make if you have any small parties in your home. You can quickly make it, and you will get lot of appreciation from your relatives and family members. So this is very simple recipe but very healthy. So you have to grate as much as potatoes you want. Here I have taken around 5 to 6 potatoes. It depends on the quantity you want to make. Now this is corn flour slurry. For this you have to take some corn flour and add very little water and make thick slurry. It should not be too watery. It should be little thick. So our slurry is ready. So this is the perfect consistency. So now you have to add the fried veggies in the grated aloo. Mix everything. If you want, you can add coriander leaves also. So instead of a spoon, you have to mix it with your hand so that it will get mixed nicely. Otherwise, you can even use spatula if you have. So now here for the outer layer to be crispy. Some people might use breadcrumbs, some people might use like cornflakes mixture, but here I have used rava, which is normal suji or rava. So here make the shapes with this aloo mixture and place cheese cube in between the ball. So now shape them in a circular shape, or even you can make it as a cylindrical shape, whichever the shape you want. If you have chopsticks, you can even insert chopsticks in this roll so that it looks like lollipop. Now dip this into corn flour slurry and spread the corn flour everywhere so that while frying this aloo mixture should not get break into oil. So everywhere you have to spread the slurry. Now in the rava you have to spread the rava on the balls as shown in the video, everywhere at the edges and on the sides. Everywhere you have to make the rava, because rava is the easily available ingredient in every kitchen, but breadcrumbs and cornflakes some people might not have, so that's why I thought of making with rava. Now place it in any plate. So likewise you have to make as many as you want. Here I made some patties or cutlets. So you have to spread the corn flour slurry. Now sprinkle the rava. This is very simple, guys. You also try at your home and let me know in the comment what do you think of this idea, because instead of using breadcrumbs and cornflakes I have used rava, so this is very new. So each and every edges you have to spread the rava. So likewise you have to make everything and freeze it for 30 minutes. You can even store it for 15 to 20 days in a airtight container. Now heat the oil. Oil should be hot enough. Now add the balls one by one. Fry them on medium flame until it becomes golden brown in color. It doesn't even consume much oil. Don't flip immediately. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, then slowly flip into the other side. So here you can see how the color is. So this is so yummy and amazing. Now take it into separate plate. Likewise you have to fry all the balls. While dropping the balls or cutlets you have to be very careful. You can even shallow fry it. If you don't want to eat deep fry items, you can even shallow fry it. So that's it. You also try at your home. Let me know in the comment. Thank you. Thanks for watching.